morning, Jim. Thanks for allowing me to come in. I know based on our conversations the other day, you expressed some concerns about your current network, and hopefully with some conversation today and with future conversations, we can come up with some solutions that kind of ease your mind and ease some of the problems you deal with on a day-to-day basis. Based on that conversation, Jim, you indicated that your current network is limiting you to the future growth that you need to get to. And by staying there, or with that same conversation, Jim, you had indicated that you need to increase revenue, you need to increase your market share, and while doing this, the big key here is to decrease your infrastructure complexity. So you have a lot on your plate, but I think Charter Spectrum can help you out with those solutions. The way I see it, and based on experience from similar clients in your business vertical, you have three demands. You have your company demands pulling on that network. You have your internal customer, which is really your employees. And then almost most importantly, but equally, you have your external client, customer, pulling all on your network. And all of that, of course, results in high demands and responsibility within what you have today. If you stay put where you're at, you indicated it's going to cause future pain, growth. It's going to cause lots of strife internally, because you need to come up with a DR solution to meet compliance needs. In the medical field, that is utmost important. To continue business continuity, you have to have an up-up situation at all times. With that, all of your applications are demanding the lowest latency out there. And basically, you're in this reactive mode. You're just putting Band-Aids on things every day instead of really looking at the big picture and coming up with a solution that's going to really take away all these fire drills. Your network capabilities is very narrow. And based on your EMR demands, you indicated that you are becoming a revenue generator. Your department is becoming a revenue-based department and not just an IT department anymore. So that EMR platform that you're promoting out to the world is going to cause even more demands on this network. This is where you're at today, Jim. You need to get to over here to reach your goals, and your network is keeping you from achieving the revenue, the market share, and everything that, of course, your executives are pushing your way. So why make these changes? If you don't, or if you act now, you're going to have revenue impacting the bottom line in a positive sense. Business continuity that I mentioned prior, you're not going to have those down times because you're going to have a DR solution in place that's completely diverse from your primary solution. And of course, with that DR, you meet the compliance gap. So with Spectrum Business, instead of having this narrow network, you're going to have a large pipe and multiple solutions to get you over here to help promote and push the company's initiatives in a positive way. What if I say we can do all of this, Jim, with one team, one network, that, by the way, we privately own completely. We do not share our network. And then one NOC, our 24/7 network, our 24/7 NOC operations center has engineers sitting there at all times. You're not going to go into voicemail, virtual voicemail craziness, and they're going to provide a solution to you immediately. If all of this sounds like a solution that you're looking to further explore, what I suggest is us set up a time with your IT team and really whiteboard and roundtable what solutions are going to work best for you and as quickly as possible for you. And what do you think of that?